Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can restore our deleted files in S3 bucket using AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in S3 dashboard. To achieve this task, bucket versioning must be enabled on that particular bucket. If you do not know how to enable versioning, link of the versioning video will be provided in the description. You can watch from there. For example, I am using my-bucket 0092. Click on my-bucket 0092. For example, if I choose this file and click on delete, and here type delete to delete this file and click on delete objects. As you can see, our object is deleted successfully. Now close this. Here you can see we have now one folder and one PNG file. Now click on show versions. Here you can see a delete marker on our deleted object. If you want to restore this file, click on this deleted marker and then click on delete. Here type permanent delete and click on delete objects. As you can see, our delete marker is deleted successfully. Now close this, and here you can see our file is restored. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.